Leo, Milo and Finn wandered aimlessly, their footsteps echoing in the silence. The air was crisp, and their breath formed small clouds in the cool night. Suddenly, Leo paused, eyes widening as he spotted something unusual, a bag lying at the corner of the street. He turned to his friends, curiosity gleaming in his eyes.
Look over there. What do you think it is?
Milo and Finn hurried over, their excitement barely contained.
Let's see what's inside,
Milo urged. With trembling hands, Leo opened the bag, revealing its dazzling contents, gold and money glimmering under the moonlight. The trio exchanged looks of disbelief and joy, realizing their fortunes had changed in an instant. They settled in a clearing, the treasure placed between them. Finn broke the silence.
We need food if we're going to celebrate properly. One of us should head to the market,
he suggested. After a brief discussion, it was decided Milo would go.
I'll get us a feast,
he promised, heading off with a spring in his step. Leo and Finn watched him disappear among the trees. Alone, they exchanged a glance, their earlier camaraderie now tinged with suspicion.
We should keep the treasure for ourselves,
Leo whispered. Milo moved through the crowd, a plan forming in his mind. As he purchased food, he also procured something more sinister, poison.
I'll have it all for myself,
he muttered, a shadow of greed crossing his features. With his purchases complete, he made his way back, the weight of his decision heavy upon him. Milo returned, setting down the food with a faint smile.
I ate in town, so this is all for you,
he lied. As they prepared to eat, Leo and Finn exchanged a nod. In a swift, brutal motion, they turned on Milo, their betrayal culminating in a quick and silent end. Leo, now it's just us, he breathed, relief and greed mingling in his voice. In their haste to claim their prize, Leo and Finn devoured the food without hesitation. Laughter echoed through the trees as they dreamed of their future wealth. But soon, their laughter turned to gasps, realization dawning too late.
What have we done?
Finn choked out, clutching his stomach as the poison took hold. As the sun dipped below the horizon, leaving the forest in shadow, the three friends lay still, victims of their own greed. The treasure, once a symbol of their hopes, now lay abandoned, a testament to the curse that avarice brings.